as spring starts, we are all drawn towards new beginnings and deep cleaning, right? So if this is you today and you are watching this video, this means that you are probably have a house that is so messy right now and you want to clean all of it. As you can see, my house is in a total mess. So I live in an apartment, in a one-bedroom apartment, and even if I have a cleaning lady that comes, but sometimes it just feels fulfilling to do it yourself and declutter everything from start to the end. So today I am doing a deep cleaning of my apartment in only 1 hour. And there is also one part where I started folding my clothes during the evening, so you're gonna notice that I have changed my outfit. So first of all, before I start my cleaning, I prefer to start with decluttering the whole space. I start from decluttering the living room and then putting all the dishes in the dishwasher, taking everything that can hinder my cleaning process. So that's the first thing you guys can do, is declutter your own space first of all.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
So after having put everything in the dishwasher, I moved into filling the garbage and decluttering the kitchen, because even the kitchen is in a total mess and I don't want to have this when I am cleaning the floor. And then I hand washed some things. For example, I hand wash wooden things because I don't want the real color to fade away, and also these couldn't fit in the dishwasher, it was already full enough. And you know, washing things with my hand always makes me feel that I'm really doing a deep cleaning of the apartment. I don't know if you guys agree with that, but if you do, put it down in the comments below. And then I moved to washing like the induction and also the countertop. So I kind of washed all of it. So yeah, I washed the induction hob with the specific product.
You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
So when it comes to cleaning the coffee machines, this isn't something that you're gonna hear everywhere. But what I would suggest is that you put baking soda in the water that you put generally in your coffee machine, and then you just click until the filters are clean, and you will notice that there are some I don't know, like some dirt that comes with the water every time. And By the time you have clean water, you stop putting water inside, okay? And this deep cleans the filters. And look at that. You can see how disgusting this is. And don't hesitate to do that at least once a month, where you really clean your coffee machines. I hope this is going to be helpful, and if you have any more tips, please put them down in the comment section.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
I then had to move to cleaning the bathroom with the Pink Stuff products that I love so much, and they're very effective. So I cleaned the door of the bathroom with a sponge, and then I moved to the mirrors. I cleaned all the surfaces. I love deep cleaning with water and products. This is what makes you really feel that the house is clean. So you have no obligation of following my own steps, but you can follow yours and just do what feels happy. So this is a section where I am all wet, so I preferred keeping it for later. But if you feel like doing this before maybe doing the kitchen or starting with this, then just go ahead and do it.
Keep my distance from the crowd. Thought that way I wouldn't get hurt, but when I met her it became a blur. She took my principles and turned them upside down. I had never felt that way, but what's to say? Sometimes good things end, but I didn't think that it would be this hard for a heart to mend. 'Cause I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I try anyway. Try to let her go.
I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance. I'm not here to waste my time on yet another bad romance. Now I got hopes for us tonight, for this here thing to turn out right. So from the start, let's get this one thing clear. You should know you're looking at a self-made woman. You should know I got nothing for free in this life. None of us can know what's coming. So if you wanna be with me, baby, can't you see? You gotta make room for a self-made woman like me. You gotta make room for a self-made woman like me. Gotta make room for a self-made woman. Gotta get on the floor. Know you're looking at a self-made woman. Don't expect you to lie down flat, not unless you really want. I'm not after a new doormat or a pretty thing to flaunt. So if you got plans for us tonight, for this here thing to turn out right, then from the start, let's get this one thing clear. You should know you're looking at a self-made woman. You should know I got nothing for free.